Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. So today we're going to be showing you how to clean both rims and tyres. So rims and tyres tend to be an overlooked part of your car, however are essential for both the appearance and performance of your vehicle. But before we get into that, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content to come. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to clean your wheels and tyres. Let's get into it. So the first step to cleaning your rims is to do a pre-rinse. So paying special attention to the rims, the inside of the rims, the brake calipers, and most important, the inside of the wheel wells, where the carpets are, as they tend to build up a lot of dirt. The next step is to apply your Kochchemi FB wheel cleaner to the rims and the brake calipers to help eat away at the heavy stuck-on dirt and brake dust. It's a reactive wheel cleaner, so it removes iron contaminants. So also, don't forget to scrub your tyres. So you remove all the built up tyre gel and dirt. So next we're using a Daytona brush to get inside the wells of the wheels. This is often missed. Most people just clean the outside of their rims, but it's very important to clean the inside of your rims as well. It's very important to clean and then re-clean your tools so that you're not just spreading dirt around. So now we're moving on to the face of the rims, using a brush to get inside all the spokes of the wheels. Also, remember to remove the wheel chemicals from your paint, as they tend to be very harsh and you don't want to let it sit on your paint for prolonged periods of time. So here we're using an angled brush to get onto the hub where the wheel meets the brake caliper. This is often missed and dirt tends to build up in that area. So here we're scrubbing the wheel wells to get any excess dirt that we didn't get with the pressure washer off. There are many factors which influence the cleanliness of your wheel, so you may need to repeat the process to get the desired look. There you have it, that's how you clean your wheels and tyres. Get out there and try it yourself.